Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, check for updates. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, scroll down and then select General after that Find, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Next, check your Face ID settings by going to Settings, scrolling down and selecting Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, then ensure Face ID is enabled for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and other features under Use Face ID for. If these methods does not work, then restart your device by pressing and holding the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears, then drag the slider. Once off, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears, and try logging in with Face ID. If it still doesn't work, set up an alternate appearance via Face ID and passcode, following the on-screen instructions. You can also reset Face ID, then set it up again. So that's basically how you can fix Face ID not working on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks!